Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the viewpoint of the map in the IGO Navigation application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the three lines at the bottom of the page on the right, and then scroll down and click on the settings button, and then click on the navigation view button, and then click on the map appearance button, and here click on the viewpoint button. And as you can see, these are the modes that you can set, so just click on the one that you want to use. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.